How's it going, bros? This is NMHT, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an iPhone 10 out of paper. So let's get started. So you're gonna need a super glue, a cutter and a pencil, a scale, and a photo paper, and a hardboard. Template is in the description box below, and then you have to print this out from your computer and you are good to go to the next step. So there you go, you have successfully printed your iPhone 10. Now follow the following steps. There you go, you have made the iPhone 10. That's a pretty fun project. You can prank with your friends, like saying that, hey, I've got iPhone 10. They are gonna be amazed. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.